Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In this video, I'll show you the best setup for daily tasks using Super Productivity. This setup keeps things simple, it helps you stay focused, and it avoids unnecessary complicity. This is Super Productivity's homepage. For those who don't know, there is no sign up or login. It's all about getting the web app or downloading it. Both you have to download. I have downloaded it right here. As you can see, this is it right here. I'm just going to click to it right here. This is how it looks after you have downloaded it. This is Super Productivity. So you can see the interface. It has today, inbox, plans, schedule, boards, habits. Those are most of its features. Your project stays here. If you have certain tags you want to add, you add here. Search of certain notes or tasks that maybe I've lost, it's here. So the first thing is enabling time tracking. The one of the core strengths of this app, it helps you to see where your time allocation goes. No guess, just clear feedback. Next thing is we'll add realistic tasks that you want to plan to do today. 3 to 5 tasks is enough. Short titles, clean actions that keeps the day realistic. So you just go into inbox. Okay, we can go to inbox. Write things that you're going to do today. I'm going to write 3 things right here. Okay, once I do that, I just give it to this date. I just give it estimation of my time, and I just schedule like that. And I estimate, okay, what it's going to be. Okay, and I just add like this. I'm going to add another one. As you can see, my task add. So I'm just going to go here and press here, and I'm just going to add another task. Schedule my task right here. Give it a customized time. The schedule right there. Estimates how long I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just for 2 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna add like that. So I'm gonna go for my second one, my third one. Sorry. Just change the time a little bit. Then I just say boom. Now I'm gonna take 2 hours with this. So I need to make an alteration. Yeah. Once I've done that, I put the estimation. Just like that, I've added having a call with my CEO, sending out invoices, having a meeting vibes. These are in my inbox. If I go to the today section, this is what I have to do today. So as you can see, things that are meant for you today stays in the today's section. Now, the most interesting part is I want us to go to the board. The Canva board offers a very great style of consistency, an easy thing that I want everybody to understand. This process is the key. As you can see, there is today, in progress, done. What stays in today's section is things that you want to do, but actually you don't know when to do it. But since you got in the to do section and you have scheduled everything precisely, this means that you're going to do it today. So you know that you're going to do your tasks today. But once you start having the first task in the process, you just have to hold it, and I want you to slide in the process section. So now having a meeting with vibes is now in progress, it's now in process, and it's happening. So once the meeting is done, I just have to shift it off to the side, which is the done section, representing that it's done. Same thing when I'm sending out my invoice. Once I'm in the process of sending out the invoice, I'm in the process. And once I'm done doing this task, I just slide it on to my done section. This is the strategy, simple, easy to understand, equipped. What stays here are things that you have scheduled to do today or things that you don't know when you're going to start doing. But once it's in the process, you are doing it immediately. And once it's in the done section, it represents that I'm done. For context, this is how we approach daily execution in LEM tasks. Tasks are captured quickly. Daily focus stays flexible. You decide what to work on and you start immediately. Once you click on the link down below, that's where LemTask is. It will take you to their home page. Once you are here, you just click get for free. You just fill in your name, email, password, and you create your account. The home of execution, LemTask. This is its dashboard. As you can see, once I'm just scrolling down, there's a whole lot of features that you already see that helps with productivity, that measures your momentum, that measures your trend, and keeps a weekly summary of the tasks that you have done throughout the week as it is. So I just want us to go to the brain dome section. This section has multi ways of importing tasks. To be truly honest, you can import through files, transcripts, Google Sheets, CSV files, audios in so many forms. But I love the voice feature. It really helps you to schedule tasks by using your voice only. So I'm just going to make two examples by using it. Sending invoices to Vibes today. Once that is done, you just extract. As you can see, today was the instruction to give me today's date, which it did. I'm adding the time and I'm choosing is low, medium, or high priority for me. It's a high one. And since I have a folder, I can choose not to add it or to add it, but I'm going to add it because I need my things all in one place just for clarification in my list. Then I just add my task like that. I'm just going to make a second one. Having a meeting with my CEO to discuss further plans about the company. Once that is done, I just extract and I just add the dates, I just add the time. Sorry, let me just alternate the time. Just like that, it's added. Once I go to my today section, as you can see, send invoices to Vibes, and I just canceled the second one on purpose. So as you can see, the voice section helps me just to schedule my voice according to what task I want. I set the dates, I set the time. Once it's time for me to jump into my task, the time will tell me. And once I'm done, I'm just going to press tick for execution like this. This setup improves focus because it reduces decisions. Fewer tasks, fewer instructions, clear time awareness. Your attention stays on the work, not the system. Super productivity works best when you keep it lean. Track time, limit tasks, and protect your focus. When the system stays simple, execution becomes easier.